We block the mu-opioid receptors. Endorphins are raised. Now, I personally, and you'll see my dosing schedule later, I started at 0.5 milligram, and every week I move up by 0.5 milligram. So we don't just turn on the endorphin machinery and it's running 1,000,000 miles an hour and making this tremendous amount of endorphins, to which the patient will burn out. But we start slow, and because sometimes all the patient needs is a tiny drop more endorphins, and those people respond at very low levels. And sometimes we need that to be ratcheted up a little bit at a time. Also, with the slow onset, slow ratcheting up, the side effects are completely minimized, and the patient's complaints in regarding that are gone. Almost no side effects. So 0.5 milligram, and each time we go up, we create a slightly larger boost in the endorphin levels, and at a certain point, that boost in endorphin levels will match the deficit that the patient has, and they'll start feeling better, and their body will start responding. Because besides mood, and athletes will know this in the from their endorphin burst. When they sort of hit a wall, then they hit the endorphin burst, and then they can go for forever. In exercise, besides mood and pain relieving qualities, downstream, the endorphins, right? So remember, the low dose naltrexone boosted the endorphins, and that's really the key. Then the elevated levels of endorphins help to stabilize mood. Maybe the patients can get off some of their mood, most mood stabilizing medications. Maybe they can't. A lot of them can, especially the ones that are on lower doses of antidepressant medications. If they're on really high doses, that's separate. But I would say low to medium doses of antidepressant medications has been, it's been in the finding in my practice that they're able to get off those over time.